Hi, are you tired of feeling like your health goals are always out of reach? Maybe you have tried every diet or workout routine, but you are still looking for that missing piece to truly feeling your best. Yeah, well, you have come to the right place. I'm Luca Valchi, and I created this channel with a specific goal to help you solve your health problems through his quality nutritional supplements. On this channel, we don't do flashy unboxings or just show all the packaging. We focus on the results. My approach is simple. I identify a specific health challenge, whether it's energy level, metabolic support, or overall vitality, and pair it with a proven supplement solution, primarily using the NutriProfit range. I do the research so you don't have to, and I show you directly what works. If you want clear, honest, and solution-based health advice, now's the perfect time to subscribe and hit the notification bell. With you are here, please, this video to help our community grow. By joining us, you are taking the first step toward a more informed and healthy version of yourself. To make things easier for you, I always include directly links to the supplements I discuss in the video description. These are affiliate links, which means if you choose to make a purchase, I receive a small commission. I want to reassure you this won't cost you a simple cent more. You are paying exactly the same price you would anyway, but you will be helping support the research and the content that we create here at Verified Wellness. Thanks for being here. Let's stop guessing and start solving your health needs together. See you in the next video. Bye.